Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this middle of the day market update, in which we'll talk about the markets. We'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll talk about narratives. We'll talk therefore about altcoins, and we'll talk a little bit about news. In general, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. All right. So far today has been a little bit quiet. I'd say the US market just opened 5 minutes ago, so the next 30 minutes, probably still the next 30 minutes when you're actually watching this video. Will absolutely be crucial. So we'll see what kind of happens in those 30 minutes. So far, it looks quite good. And I already said it earlier today, but I actually do think that we have a good chance to make some higher highs here. Now, I'm not sure if we can actually make some new all-time highs, because for that, what we will need is volume. And volume right now across the market is not growing. So ultimately what we want is to break out above 102.5. That seems unlikely, but I do think we can actually get some strong momentum. I mean, what you can see right now is that we're gaining some new leverage. We have a strong support level here at 99,000, going all the way down to 98,500. On the 12-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, this structure is extremely bullish. I mean, tell me how this chart does not look bullish. It can turn bearish, but at the moment it's looking very bullish. So what we need to see now is some sort of continue. And by the way, the Bitcoin dominance also dropping down a bit. So what we need to see right now is some sort of continuation of this into the US session, and that is what we're in right now. I personally do have some trades open, and I do have some risk on. But I'm refraining still from opening more positions. There's a couple of altcoins that I do want to open positions on, and I'll cover those later in the video. All right, so keep watching for that. And I do think there will be opportunities, but right now, a couple of things I need to see. All right, first of all, the Coinbase Bitcoin Premium today has been weak. And it actually was in a discount before the US opening. Right now it's starting to get into a premium again. I need to see that actually get into a premium sustainably. That would be a very bullish sign of actual demand coming in from the US, which is what we want. And then outside of that, just in general, what I would always keep an eye on, if I were you, is just the stock market. All right, stock market so far seem not amazing, to be fair. Opened relatively bearish, all of them, except for the S&P, but the Russell 2000, for example, was quite bearish. The dollar strength index has rallied quite a bit since last week Friday. So those fundamentals are all not necessarily great. So even though Bitcoin technically looks great here, I really do need some more confirmation before going risk on. So for now, I would still be careful for that. If we actually do get those confirmations, so a sustained Coinbase Bitcoin Premium, the other fundamentals also becoming a bit better, then I think we can open some trades. Even though on a Friday, it's good to be cautious either way. All right. But yeah, so no, at the moment, I'm quite bullish on Bitcoin. Be prepared for spikes down. I mean, something like this would actually be quite good. Getting a spike down into 98,500 before actually heading into 102.5 again. When we're talking about altcoins, altcoin market, there's a couple of altcoins that are very much doing different things from the market. Most of the market is correlated, but what seems to be the main opportunity right now, and we've already talked about that earlier this morning for some altcoins, is that meme coins look quite strong. Meme coins, Ondo on its own looks super bullish right now, which is great to see. Actually is making all-time highs right now, so that's amazing. But no, Ondo, meme coins, and dino coins is what I call them. All right, so basically then we're talking about these older coins such as Stellar or XLM, Hedera or HBAR, and XRP also to a certain extent, but also Algo. Those were strong earlier today. They have lost some momentum since then, but I do think that if we really get a bullish US session, which for that we're waiting for confirmation, I think those can actually rally quite a bit as well. They have a lot of volume already, so they just need some sort of new momentum coming in, and then they can rally quite high. But those would be the main narratives to focus on. Maybe Ethereum beta will come back. That was quite strong yesterday, but that's a little bit more risky, I'd say. So yeah, meme coins, altcoins, and wait for the confirmation on Bitcoin. That's in general what my summary for today would be. Personally, I've also bought some Solana, but that's a little bit more of a longer term trade. And Link is still very strong, but might be a bit too late to enter right now. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.